Hello, and we're solving for angles or determining the measure of angles in a supplementary pair. Okay, so just as a reminder that when you have angles that make a straight line, they have to be equal to 180 degrees, and that means that A plus B equals 180. Okay, so let's go over the problem that we're working on. Just want to minimize that and bring out the problem. Okay, as you see, it doesn't matter which side you pick, but we have two angles that make a straight line, so I'm going to call that one A, and I'm going to call this one B. The side on which you put the letter doesn't matter, but here we are. Okay, so you have angle TOY is represented by 5x plus 3, and angle YOP is represented by 4x plus 6. So in our setup, we want to still use A plus B equals 180. So like we said, 5x plus 3 represents A, and we're still adding. We have to add B, and that is 4x plus 6. And together, they have to be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so what I want is to start by recognizing like terms. I know that 5x and 4x are like terms because they have an x. And I know that 3 and 6 are like terms because they don't have an x. So now I'm going to combine those things. I have 5x plus 4x, which is 9x. And there's a plus because everything's addition. 3 plus 6 is also 9. And they have to equal to 180 degrees. So now we have something that we definitely can handle, which is just using inverse operations. So the first thing you want to do is subtract 9, take away 9 from both sides of the equation so that the two sides stay equal to each other. 9 minus 9 is 0, and you're left with 9x plus 0, which is 9x, and this equals 180 minus 9, which is 171. Well, now you have to divide, being the inverse operation of times. This is 9 times x, so you're dividing by 9, like we said, on both sides to keep it equal. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times x is x. And let's see, 171 divided by 9, that's going to be, let's see, it cannot be 2, so 1. And then 81, 19. X is 19 in order for this to work, but we still have to check it. And what we're going to do is we're going to do each piece separately, just to make sure that we did the right thing. So let me erase the things that I need to clear out first. So what I want to do once I erase this is I'm going to set up in a way that I find out what each angle measure is. So I'm going to find angle TOY, which is angle A, and angle YOP, which is angle B. So I'm going to keep it in the right color so that we don't get lost. So we have 5x plus 3. And we know that x is 19, so we're going to write 19 where x is, and we copy everything else. Okay, so 5 times 19, let's see, that's 5, carry my 4, 95, plus 3 is 98. So this is angle A, and it's 98 degrees. Now we're going to work with the other one, which is 4x plus 6. And like we said, 19 has to be here, times 4 plus 6. And this is going to be 676 plus 6, which is 82 degrees. So now we only have one question. Is 98 plus 82 equal to 180? Well, if you take the 2 from 82 and you add that to the 98, that's 100. 100 plus the remaining 80, that's 180. It checks out. That's the two angle measures for this problem. And that's how you would use the supplementary angle relationship.